gasoline. I'm gonna put it in the machine. Oh, now this is what I call a tubby right here.
Oh, no. Bro, that's a whole Mac.
This is what I call a tubby.
That's what I got, sure. Bro, 400.
This game really just copied Dead Rails and
But
wow.
Oh yeah.
radio on. Let's turn that radio on.
Oh wait.
Yo!
Why did you jump?
Hey.
I turned on the radio, boys.
Okay. Oh, I gotta turn.
Hey.
Yeah, why do you do that?
Yo, what the? I'm not even jumping. The thing's making me jump.
You're right in time now. Go in the front.
What is this?
Yo, who turned this on, bro?
I thought it was gonna be some. I thought we were gonna hear some hip hop. My bad.
Yeah, tell this country music guy my ear.
I'm not jumping. I'm not jumping. I'm not. See?
Oh, yeah, there's a camp right here.
I did not. Yo,
There's a camp right here.
you're such a
You're
bull.
leaving it.
There's something in the water. Yo.
Yeah, I got that.
Oh, yeah. Back to my fishing era.
A stone head? No, not again.
I'm a kid.
Hey, get my fin. What's up? I got a pistol.
I think I like the pickup thing better here than Dead Rails.
I got a pistol.
Why does Zay always get the gun?
I want the gun this time.
Ah,
I like one thing this game definitely is better at is that it has a radio.
so peaceful. I
Zay,
just love.
Zay, we actually have the ability to leave you this time if you're starting a whole fishing arc again. Come on.
Do it. No, leave him. Leave him, Trail.
I should have left you like you left me, not gonna lie.
Wait. I get on top of
I
my thing.
basically even leave you. We're going right there.
Yo, wait, Trail.
Ah!
See?
No.
I'm not even moving, bro. It's moving on its own.
Jump, get off.
Take off.
Jump, Trail.
I got it. That thing wasn't even. I think it's moving on its own. Yo, put the Glock down.
I'm a kid, bro.
Bro, you know what's gonna
No,
happen.
I'm already a kid.
Okay, but not in the boat, bro.
Be prepared.
Look, I just see
I
Cam.
gotta give you shots of fact all the time.
It's Pennywise.
Oh, nah.
Go.
It's Pennywise.
This one was
Yeah, I
Pennywise.
got a Glock. What's up?
This one was Pennywise the size of Chucky.
I ain't scared of anybody. What was that? What the frick is that?
Hey, there's a village over here.
Ooh, I love villages. Hopefully they got some money for me.
There's some perfect parking over here.
Hopefully they got some money for me, kid.
Jump
Oh!
off.
I gotta go on sit. I do. What?
It's
No, I mean like the ski.
Pennywise.
Hey, it's nighttime. Should we be
It's
concerned?
Chucky.
I don't really anything comes out at night.
Oh, what the freak? What were those noises, bro, made? We can't even use him as fuel or nothing? Yo, there ain't no point in killing zombies.
Y'all better get in here. I don't like these guys.
I'm ready. Oh, it's coming! Oh! Run him over! It's on the boat!
God.
What the fuck?
That boy got on the boat. So what's the objective of this game? Are we even going to Mexico this time?
I don't even know.
Oh my god, bro, they're jumping out the water.
We're going to Canada. No, we're going
We're going to Florida.
Yeah, we're going to Florida.
Yo, the radio doesn't even work.
It's because the radio station's closed at night.
So we're going to the Bahamas.
Y'all want to stop here? Or?
Stop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's
Now, why would you get out? Hey, yo, Dick, get back. I gotta go.
Oh, crap.
They're behind you. Yo, they jumping,
Yo,
Cam.
this man just took a head.
Oh, yeah, Chucky.
Do we have metal bats?
Chucky.
Oh, look at the ones from earlier. They're chasing us. Y'all saw that?
No.
I'm Chucky.
The ones from earlier are still running over. Yo, there's something on here.
They have the gun.
Yo, there's someone. Yeah. Yo, they are taking bullets, bro. Hey, let me get the ammo. Let me get the ammo.
Ooh, gun.
That's a lame. Amo.
Let me get the ammo.
Give me that.
You don't even have a gun.
To be or not to be, that is the question.
Give me the gun, and I'll give you the ammo.
It makes no sense.
I don't care. Give me the gun, or I'll give you the ammo.
Give me the gun and I'll give you the ammo.
Like what?
You're not gonna have any ammo in the gun, Cam.
I mean, yeah.
So,
It's crying.
but I don't like how greedy can be.
In these type of games, right?
Like, nah, that's what I'm gonna do. Something that's gonna make that's gonna make them mad.
Why is this prison?
Come here.
Try one. If there's a gun there by you.
Yo, guys, there's some.
Take a little bit of that. Take a dose.
Hey guys, what you doing?
Huh?
Hey guys, there's some ammo over here.
Oh, bet. Let me get some.
No.
First come, first serve.
Yo, what the freak? Wait, that just dropped my stuff.
Oh. I'm leaving.
Hey! Hey!
Hey! Respect my not. I'm Chucky.
It's a good thing I was already heading back to the ship.
It's Chucky. It's Chucky. Chucky. It's Chucky.
My tablet.
Wait.
Can't.
You stop this. Oh, take one of these. Take one of these.
Stop.
Got it.
Guys.
Wait.
We all aboard?
You gotta press pick up.
I'm holding it. That's why.
You gotta press pick up.
Wheel.
Oh!
You did? I didn't hear her. Yeah, Mom?
What did you get him?
Yeah, I'll be right back, guys. I hope nothing happens.
Actually, I'm not right here. I'm Chucky. I'm protecting our boat.
Pick up. Pick up.
Chucky.
All right, moving along. Next up, we've got a message from listener River. Right. Hey, I'm stuck indoors today, but your show's got me daydreaming about my next trip outdoors. You got a tune that'll help me escape the office and drift away for a while?
Yo.
You got it, River Runner. Here's the perfect track to hear you far from your desk, right into the heart of the nation. So relax, turn it up, and let the current take you. Here's Canyon Wind.
What's it? What's that?
Wind is calling,
Trail got. Trail.
slowly falling, out where nothing lasts.
Yo, why was Cam calling my name though? Like he knew I was here.
Gotta press pick up.
Grab. Oh no, pick up. Get this thing out of my head. Pick up. I just hung up. Pick up. I accidentally pressed hung up instead of pick up.
It says pick up.
I got it. Whoa. Get him. Go. Get in.
I gotta block this up.
Ricky Quincy, go!
Go. Get him off of me. I'm trying to sit down.
And I got a shotgun.
I was getting hit. Stop jumping, Cam. Stop jumping. I'm not about to come back for y'all.
Like,
Promise you that.
yo, there's a fortress right here. Oh, I think this is a base.
Oh. Checkpoint? Kinda.
It's a checkpoint.
It's a checkpoint. What's that sign say? Oh, never mind. It's a tree. Ah. This whole like map kind of looks like Pirates of the Caribbean at Disneyland. That's just me.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that.
Currently,
See,
I only have $12.
I got 35 bucks.
Oh my god.
Go, come on!
What the?
Let's go.
Wait, I'm able to steal stuff.
You are?
Oh, yeah.
I'm about to say. I'm not sure the town folks like that.
Come on, guys, go on.
You think I care?
I mean, they're the ones with the guns right now.
I
I
don't
mean,
have a gun.
You white.
and their guns seem a lot.
Come on, guys.
Hold on.
I will already ditch y'all.
For bro, what?
Now, come on.
Whoever has like, guys, I'm at the gun store right now, bro. Come over here. There's tons of weapons over here.
Oh, snap. But, did you already got a gun?
I do, but like, I'm just looking.
No.
Yeah, put your gun. Just give me this to him.
Huh?
Pick a gun, bro.
Yeah, I know, but I did not have 60. Yo,
Yo.
I heard that man starting the boat, bro. Get out. Get out. I don't touch you.
Y'all got guns inside you. Come on, get out.
No.
10 kilometers. Yo, Ava. Ava. Careful, okay?
All right,
Oh,
folks.
but that was
Next up,
me.
we've got another great message. This one's
Well,
from our
yeah, you're not my
listener,
favorite.
Weekend Warrior.
Like what?
Hey, loving the show today. I'm stuck at the office again, dealing with endless
Yo.
No, wait.
Just keep swimming.
No, stop it.
Just jump out. Oh no, there's zombies coming near y'all, by the way.
Come on, guys. Come on.
I love how we got the radio playing there. That's it. We can't hurt them with weapons. We can't hurt them with weapons. Oh, what the? Bro, what is this 70s radio playing, bro?
All right,
The
folks.
fact that they made a
Next up, we
whole
got
radio
another
for the
great
game is
message.
crazy.
This one's from our listener, Weekend
Quincy, hurry
Warrior.
up.
Hey, loving the show today. I'm stuck at the office again, dealing with endless meetings and a boss who's so nagging. Weekends are great, but lately,
Yeah, you gotta come in 3 seconds.
gotta have more to offer. Got something to shake things up? We absolutely feel you, Weekend Warrior.
Pigeon Day.
We've all been there, right? Here's a
Quincy,
track perfect
grab
for
my
shaking
hand.
off the pain and chasing after something bigger. Turn it up.
I'm trying to get gasoline.
Quincy, grab my hat. Oh my god. Terrell, grab my hat.
Hi.
Freak you too, Cam.
3, 2, 1.
Damn, I would only ditch you.
Stupid.
Jump, Cam. You gotta jump, Cam.
No.
How was he supposed to ditch you? Why did I jump?
Go
That proves.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Terrell, grab my hand.
Jump.
Yo, I was just on the edge. I was just on the edge.
You do this one more time, I'm gonna like.
Okay, yo, I'm just like standing in the middle. I'm scared. This boat is like so fragile, bro.
You get off my lap, Cam.
I'm the little.
There's another ghost. It's Fort Nightmares all over again. Ooh. Oh, what?
I will get you. Wow. Nice. Hey.
There should be an ammo. There's some stuff here though, Cam.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, I need ammo.
Gasoline.
Gasoline.
I'm about to put it in the machine.
I need me some gasoline. I'm about to put it in the machine. I need me some gasoline. About to put it in the machine.
Nice.
About to get me in the machine.
Wait a minute. I just realized something.
What?
How do I go?
It's
and
nighttime.
unpack my stuff?
Huh?
How
Over
do I
here.
unpack my stuff? I gotta tell you.
Oh.
Crap.
Go, Cam.
I think you're going faster.
Oh.
Fight it! Fight him!
Oh, that's Kevin. He took a shotgun bullet to the head.
Hey, this man's taking multiple bullets to the head. Not us. Not me and Zay shooting the man 50 times and then Quincy just hit him in the back once.
No, I'm on the gunhouse. How do you get shot in the
Guys
head?
over here.
Don't stop here, Cam. Do not stop here. Yo.
Oh, Cam, stop.
Go, Trout. Come on, Trout. Come on.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Somebody take my hand. We in for La Lorna. I knew this place looked like Pirates of the Caribbean, right? Yo, what's he gonna push me off the thing, right?
Guys,
Don't jump!
The crocodile's still after us.
gas.
What do you mean the gas? What's the gas looking?
Oh, no.
Okay.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
There's something up ahead. Let's go.
Alright. Scavenger crew, let's go.
Why am I in the water as I just the crocodile?
For La Lorna.
I got a plate, a seat,
How do you take your stuff out?
because I'm going to place them on the boat
I said how?
by doing...
Guys, they're still following us from this side!
It's the fact Quincy just all the way down there, man.
Hey Quincy, by the way, the crocodile's come near you.
What?
Oh, yeah,
No, fish.
Is that not the crocodile? Okay, guess I'm tripping, my bad.
Oh no, that's a shark.
What?
Alright.
Where are y'all?
Oh my god.
That's the village.
Just stay at the boat, Quincy.
Yeah, I'm at the boat.
Stay there.
But we're at the Minecraft village for.
If you die
Where's some
to
Steve's
that-
lava chicken?
If you die to that...
I am Steve.
There's a crocodile.
Kill him.
The way these zombies walk is creepy, bro. Walk like a boss baby. With his big old head. The only one killing my brother is me!
Yeah, oh, don't forget me.
Nah.
You can't kill him.
Ah,
Is there any gasoline here?
I just put some gas.
you're telling me you had gasoline this entire time?
Oh, there's a boss.
Raptor.
Go back to the sheep. Go back to
You're
the...
telling me you had it. Oh my god.
I know, go back to the boat. Go back to the boat. Yes?
Yo,
I
what
just
is
already...
that?
Hold on, because I'm still in the game.
Hey, yo, chill. Yo, sit down. Sit down, little boy.
Oh, dang, that boy went down quick.
Nut!
What did they?
Whoa! Die!
Quincy, drive towards us. Drive towards us. Let's move.
You got it, River Runner. Here's the pulpit
This is-
to carry you far
Ah, joke's on
beyond
y'all, I got a
right
chair
to the
now.
heart of nature. So relax, turn it up, and let the turret take you.
Go!
Here's
I'll
Bro,
be serious.
Cam's right there.
Somebody hold my hand.
Canyon wind is calling.
It's okay, Cam. I got Cam. Get off. There's a booster chair right over there.
Wait, guess what? That's not my friend.
No, wait, I'm close to friend.
No, I also have one.
Out
Cam, move.
where nothing lasts.
Oh, Cam.
Fire on the mountain.
We don't have. We don't even have anyone, bro. No, but I don't trust you to drive, Cam.
I don't trust you to drive.
This is my stuff cam. Do not.
You see, you shouldn't even told him that. Cam put fuel in.
Oh, okay, bet.
Y'all always
Wait,
got fuel in y'all butts and y'all not telling us, bro.
Right, but-
That's Quincy.
No,
Yo,
no.
I gotta go in this little place and get a snack stuff.
Okay,
I gotta kill the boss.
you got it.
Birds are singing loudly. Fish
Wait, I
are swimming
We need to
round.
wait for Zed.
The air is smelling fresh and clean.
No, Trump.
Getting
Yeah,
high
let's rock the
without
scissors.
sound.
Sure, we got time.
I'm sure
Drifting through the twilight.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ha ha. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper. Oh, they're back, Cam. Oh, hey guys, hey, what's going on?
Come on, Zed.
Got the music in a stop.
Oh, back. You're back.
Oh no. Yo, that boy. Nobody grab his hand. Yo, that boy almost made it.
You guys are almost back at the what's it called? The thing.
A checkpoint.
Where are you?
Checkpoint.
Good boy.
Where are you gonna kill?
Oh, back.
We'll meet you there, bro.
Yeah,
Stop the car. Stop it. The boat. Stop the boat. Stop the boat.
Open the gate! Open the gate!
They're never closed, man. They're never closed.
Get out.
God, just don't let the big crocodile. That's all I want.
Brown. I don't have enough of that thing.
Isaiah, they shot the crocodile. Don't worry, you're safe now.
Y'all can. How much money?
Why
do
isn't
you
there
have?
like a trading shop here? Oh, trading.
Straight up.
Where the frick did my thing go? I was trying to
Throw
trade
your
that.
stuff right here.
Quincy, what happened to the barbed wire that I was trying to trade?
Oh, it's right.
Oh. Can we trade this crocodile body? Oh, never mind.
Excuse me?
No!
What's that?
What was that?
Do y'all got anything in like y'all pockets that we can trade, bro? I'm broke.
I mean,
What do you have? Buy some, what do you call it? Fuel.
Yeah, where's the fuel at? I'm gonna go to the general store.
Bankers call, bill stacking.
I don't know you. Fuel costs $25. Anybody got $25?
Yeah, I got some. I got 5.
I only got 12.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna fill it up and have fun.
They stole the bandage design. I got it.
Guys, I'm soon.
It's like one or two pounds.
Guys, I can't see the thing.
Yo, there's another one in here.
There's. Bro, what is this song?
Guys, there's 3.
That boy said dibbity doo bop, doing my drain. Hey, we got more seats. Why'd you get 4?
My booty.
We don't need 4.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Oh.
This next
Yeah,
one
we got
is from a
it.
listener going by Nostalgic
go.
Nomad, who writes, "Hey,
Okay.
Cam, wait, stop. Okay, Cam, stop driving.
He goes about the subway. Had that
No, you're
clear
not allowed to
black
drive
light.
anymore.
You happen to know it? Oh, do I know it? Absolutely. That one's
But everybody grab your seats.
heartstring puller.
Actually, yeah, I'm the cool kid. I should go on the back.
Listening to the
Okay, pal.
I'm the cool kid. Guys, something fell.
no, it's nothing.
There's the barbed wire.
We need to go to a village so Yeah. I need aim.
You look like
You could have bought some while we were there.
I got your POE.
Only have 8.
Instead of buying freaking all these pants,
Hey, they were a good purchase.
The chairs were just out there.
Yo, the chairs were a good purchase though.
where are they?
Whoa, side quest? The cave.
Hey, look.
Yo, don't see that cave.
Oh, back, you got
I want to go in there with the boat, but I missed it. Hold on, I just said when I'm done with the game.
Okay.
Can't just like on the out.
What is that for, Mama?
I'm trying to get back to the boat, like.
Oh man, Jenkins.
Come on. Wait, no, let me go back.
Yeah,
So,
cool.
is this in Atlantis?
Why is it
Oh my. Cam, the boat doesn't go back. Oh, Cam, there's a pistol here. Okay.
a pistol? I'll take it.
Too late.
Bro, I
Should have came into the freaking cave with us. Perfect.
ain't no way.
Yo, Quincy, why'd you go in there by yourself? Yes, Quincy. Distract the guards. Weave. Weave. Guys, there's so much valuable stuff in here. I got a treasure chest. I got a treasure chest. I'm running with it. Weave. Coming.
Give me my crown. Because I'm king.
Guys,
Green.
guys, they're after me.
Guys, if you find any guns,
Wait, let me
There's
just.
a pistol here for you.
pistol,
Yeah, pistol.
drop that crown.
I don't.
I'm jumping over here.
Yo. Oh my God.
Pistol. Give me that baby.
Give me the crocodile.
Holy crap.
Hey guys. Yo, what the frick?
I'm going back to the boat.
Thanks for taking them.
Guys, get as much stuff as you can.
I got so much stuff. Oh, you lying to me?
Yeah, that's where we at.
Get as much stuff as you can.
Go.
Yo, they're blocking the entrance.
Yo, I'm all the way deep there.
Why?
I was getting emo.
Yo, I got a lot of stuff in my pocket.
Don't go.
It's gonna be a little hard to stay.
Guys, we need some help. No.
I pull about him. I got a first pick.
Better use it real quick. Oh, guys, that help? Quincy, yo, Quincy, you got more ammo. Shoot him.
Hey, why can't you?
Quincy, he's open. Why was he too late? Yo, they're damaging the boat. Guys, bro, okay, I'm not gonna lie. You got... No, you guys just go on cam and then pick... It's,
Yo, like, bring them away from camera.
okay, hold on, I'm just about to... Half of them burn.
I got cam.
Everybody get in the boat.
Oh, yeah.
In the boat, get in. Girl. It don't matter.
Gonna win. Bottoms up, bottoms up. Another round. Tomorrow I'll forget. Gonna hit you right. Bad luck shuffle got me
I'll be right back. Good luck with this
Skibbity
guy.
doo bap, drinking my pain. Bad luck shuffle, chips down the drain. Scattered out eyes, game by game. Bad luck shuffle, dice in vain. Zippity zap, man, lose.
I don't care.
Friday night again.
No!
Feeling like a kid. Saturday morning on my dime. Thought I'd flip the
Oh,
table.
I want that.
Hey, I'm back. Am I still on the boat? Oh, good.
Oh, look at that engine.
Flat on
Huh?
the ground.
Yo, what the frick? Oh my god, what happened? Ghost, ghost, ghost.
Why? I want that.
I don't have any ammo for none of my guns.
I have.
I need it.
3 bullets.
I can repair this. How do I repair? How do I repair it? It's
You
not
just
I
said-
can repair shit.
Good thing we them.
I don't have like any ammo to shoot. I need ammo.
Guys, I had 5 bullets left now.
Here, guys. There's ammo over here.
Ooh, got some ammo.
There's ammo there, Zay. Zay, get the ammo. I got it.
Help!
I'm fighting me, where you at? Where you?
Cam, he's right. You're right in front of him.
I got you, Zay. Whoa. I want
Yo,
it.
why did I clock out of you?
Yo, I'm done with this, bro. Somebody just get in the boat. No, why are we fighting?
Now I'm getting a pistol or anything.
Y'all got a reason for why we fighting again?
I'm trying to get some ammo. That's why I came.
I don't got time for this, bro. Come on, let's go.
I'm going back to the boat.
Right? Like, I do not got time for this.
So
I got that.
turn it up,
Some
and let's
y'all better get in it right now.
Here's Canyon.
Why does a zombie have a gun?
Yo, I was getting.
This is why I mean, bro. I'm not trying to have another situation, bro. Go, bro. We moving. What we moving?
Go through.
Yo,
Yo, I got my pistol.
sucked for you.
Yo, how do I?
You have it.
Get the card. I got a pistol in my pocket for you.
Okay.
Yes. Checkpoint.
Alright, this is not a check.
But what is this?
This is different. This is different.
Open the gates.
Oh, nah.
I don't have enough ammo for this.
Yeah. If it's oh, we're running through this.
Let's go.
It's not letting me. What?
Oh, this game. I have no ammo.
We got bats.
My pistol.
Bro, oh my god. Bro, Quincy, these freaking chairs are my downfall, bro. Yo, we're not protecting the shit. Bro, these freaking bozos with revolvers. I'm so low.
Yo, please don't die. My people got you.
I got a wrench.
Wait, I took a vodka. I got you.
Reload that jump. I got a wrench. Cam, we do not have time for this. Someone is? Yo. Listen, bro, these freaking chairs. I repaired the engine. I'm dead.
Yes.
Cam was just sitting on top of the boat the whole time trying to figure out how to hold his dang pistol.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Cam's not even trying to fight, bro. They're all on the boat and Cam's just sitting there trying to get his dang pistol to work.
Do this.
This one,
And me.
God, just get someone. I don't even care.
It's red.
Pick at random, bro. Pick at random. Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh, what the freak?
Wait.
I don't want to hear some dancing through the twilight, bro.
This
the main one right
Quincy,
there.
I got your body. You my human shield. I don't got a gun. What the fuck are you yapping about?
There's a pistol under the seat. I'm saying that's mine.
It's open, Zay. It's open.
Total heart.
Oh, they're attacking me. Yo, I'm about to die. I can't. Say, I was about to die, bro. I have no. Oh, Jesus.
Crap. They got
I'm dead again. Yo, what am I supposed to do? They're biting me the whole time while I'm trying to drive. There's like 50 of them. Shot him at the feet is crazy. What is this game? Jesus. I like their screens of agony.
No.
GG's.
GG's, bro.
This game is actually like really hard, I'm not gonna lie.
It's harder than the other one.
No.